Climate change mitigation consists of actions to reduce the magnitude of greenhouse gas emissions that are warming the planet. Bangladesh is one of the countries that is most impacted by climate change due to its lack of infrastructure, recurrent natural disasters, high population density, high poverty, etc. These impacts lead to major concerns: water security, food security, and health security. With Bangladesh being extremely vulnerable to climate change, its vulnerability makes this country highly susceptible to health hazards like infectious and pathogenic diseases and psychological disorders. Furthermore, there are environmental impacts of different climate events contributing to specific changes in agriculture, changing the economy, and in turn changing the lives of whole communities. For example, increased rainfall can lead to frequent and severe flooding, higher river erosion, increased sedimentation, which then has an impact on agriculture and allied sectors like land inundation and erosion, and damages to crop, fisheries, and livestock. More specifically, about 18% of households of the Sundarban impact zone are dependent on suburban resources, and around 0.5 million households' primary source income is fishing. Bangladesh government has action plans in order to combat these particular issues. There are waste to compost projects that contribute to mitigation. These programs are enforced in order to help reduce methane emissions. There are also two main organizations: National Action Plan on Adaptation, that serve as a communication system that discusses urgent and immediate adaptation needs to climate change, and Bangladesh Climate Change and Strategy that also contributes to the strategy and formation of an action plan. BCC SAP has 6 pillars set as objectives, with mitigation/low carbon development as one of their action plans. More specifically, the action plan development as one of their action plans. More superficially, the action plan consists of 44 programs and 145 projects for implementation within the time period of 2009 to 2018. BCC SAP will be an integral part of national developmental policies, plans, and programs. Communities in Bangladesh know and understand that climate change is here and the threats that they are facing as a result of it, and that they have to adapt to these changes. Some are adapting to the fullest knowledge of climate change impacts, while others are adapting intuitively and experimentally. Also, community-wise, BCAS and IIED has organized a 5-world conference with objectives on adaptations through discussions between scientists and policymakers.